Hey, hey, what? Ray Mac, hey, what? Hey, what? Welcome to Ray Mac's Kitchen and Grill. Love and not hate. Love and not hate. Welcome to Ray Mac's Kitchen and Grill. Love and not hate. What? Love and not hate. Come on. Welcome to Ray Mac's Kitchen and Grill.
Hey YouTube fam, what's up? This is your boy Ray Mac. I want to show you how to do the best oven baked chicken recipe on this planet. I got 7 thighs in this here bowl, and what I'm going to do now, I'm going to show you exactly what seasonings and how I'm going to season this up to make this the best oven baked chicken in the world. Listen to what I'm saying to y'all. First thing I'm going to do, I got some olive oil that I just put into the bowl. Now I got some of this here Nora's chicken flavoring seasoning, and we're going to add this to the olive oil mixture as well. Now I got some Lawry's pepper seasoning. All right, and I'm going to leave some measurements below for you guys in the description area below, so click on the show more section for the ingredients. So I got some parsley flakes that I'm also adding into this. You can use fresh herbs if you would like. It'll work better as well. Then I have some oregano that I'm going to also toss in, some dried oregano, and that's going into the olive oil mixture. And the next thing I'm going to add in is some onion powder. That's going on into the mixture. You've got to try this because I'm showing you how to make the best oven baked chicken in the world. All right, so I got some garlic powder that I'm also tossing in, and along with that I got some dried thyme that's going into the olive oil mixture. And the next ingredients that we're going to need to make this the best oven baked chicken in the world is some black pepper. All right, so I'm tossing in the black pepper in the olive oil mixture. And I hope you guys really give this recipe a try, because I'm telling you right now, you will love it. So now what I want you to do is just go ahead and incorporate your seasonings into that oil. And then after that, just start mixing your chicken up and coat everything well with the oil. Okay, this is the first step, and I want you to try this. Okay, then we're going to move to the next step. So now for the second step, I want you to take you a cast iron skillet if you have one. If you don't have one, you can also use a sheet pan, and you can line that sheet pan up with parchment paper. It'll work as well. But I want you to place your chicken in the skillet, the skillet skin side down, just as I'm showing you right here. This is going to help us crisp up the skin. I love baking chicken when the skin is crispy. So I'm showing you how to make the best oven fried, the best oven chicken, baked chicken. But if you're going to do this technique, please put it skin side down first. Let's go to the next step. Now I want you to go ahead and set your oven at 425 degrees, and I want you to also set your timer. All right, set your timer for at least 45 minutes. What we're going to do is first cook it for 45 minutes, and then we're going to take it out and flip it over. Now in this here, I got some chicken broth, some rice, and some onion, and about 3 tablespoons of butter. And I'm also hitting it off with a little bit of black pepper. I'm making some rice to go with our baked chicken, y'all. And I'll certainly share the recipe with you in the description box for this here rice if you want to give it a try. So I got some chicken flavoring also that I want to go ahead and add to this here rice. If you give this rice a try, it will definitely pair well with that baked chicken. Then I have some paprika. You know what I'm saying? This is going to give it a nice little color. So go ahead and blend up everything together. Now once you got everything blended up, I want you to take some heavy duty aluminum foil, go ahead and wrap it up, and then I want you to toss this right in the oven with your baked chicken. All right, so now with another skillet, if you have one, I want you to take at least about 1 tablespoon to 2 tablespoons of butter, melt it down on a hot skillet. Add you some chopped garlics. Here I have at least around about 3 cloves of garlics that I went and chopped up, and I'm adding in some mushrooms. You can use whatever kind of mushrooms you like for this here, shiitake mushrooms, button up sliced mushrooms, or whatever. So I'm just using your general mushrooms, and you can use as much mushroom as you like or less mushrooms as you like. We're gonna add this to our rice because we're making some mushroomed rice, okay? So I'm also tossing in some black pepper, and I'm gonna leave the ingredients for this rice. You guys will definitely love it, I swear you will. So I'm gonna also toss in some of this here salt. We're seasoning up our dish here. Everything is gonna have flavor. It's not going to be over salty or anything like that, man. It's going to have flavor. It's going to impact your meal. So I want you to mix up everything well as far as that goes. And the next thing I want you to do again, if you need a little bit more butter, go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of butter to your mushrooms, because we want these mushrooms to be buttery. And after that is done up, I want you to take you some sliced chives. I got sliced chives, some fresh chives that I went and I chopped up, and I'm adding to the mushrooms. If you don't have the fresh and you can't find the fresh, dried chives will also work with this here recipe. All right. So once you've done with your mushrooms, I want you to move it to the side. And now, since the 45 minutes is up for our baked chicken, I want you to go ahead and flip these thighs over. And I love thighs, y'all. Thighs give you the most impacted flavor. It's the best as far as it goes with me for cooking chicken. All right, so I want you to take it and turn it over. And once you've turned your chicken over, put it back into the oven and allow it to brown up. I want that skin to be crispy. Now your rice is pretty much done as well. I want you to take a fork, start fluffing up your rice, okay? Once you fluffed up that rice, I want you to take your mushroom mixture that you prepared, toss it on up in there. And then I want you to go ahead, man, and start mixing up your mushroom mixture with your rice. This is mushroom rice. I'm telling you, if you get it to try, and if you love mushrooms, you know what I'm saying? My wife is a mushroom lover. She totally dig this here recipe. And I'm telling you right now, man, it is a beautiful, beautiful dish to prepare. And you and your family and whoever else will taste this will definitely love it. Now, since your chicken is brown, if you can look and see how golden this chicken is, the skin is crispy. I want you to go ahead and take that chicken and place it right on top of your rice. All right. Now, once you place this chicken right on top of your rice, the next thing I want you to do is prepare you a plate. Serve this baby up. Your family and friends will love it. All right, y'all? Don't go nowhere. Stick around. Now, I really hope you guys really give this recipe a try. Trust and believe me, man, it was flavorful and it was definitely delicious. So this is the best oven baked chicken that you can really try in the world. I want to say thank you guys so much for checking out this here recipe. If you would, I would really appreciate it. All right, I want you guys to go ahead and subscribe to my channel. All you have to do is click on my photo and hit that red button and be a Ray Max family member. Also watch these videos. Love and not hate. Love somebody and hate nobody. Peace. I love each and every one of you. Thank you.